Welcome to Why Not Stitches. I am Stella and I believe in the power of art as therapy. Embroidery isn't just about creating something beautiful with your hands. It's also about the present moment, calming your mind, and nurturing your creative freedom. My vision is to inspire your passion for hand embroidery by offering it as a path to reduce stress, build focus, and explore boundless creativity. Before we dive into stitching, it's essential to have all the supplies ready. And if you are new to embroidery, don't worry, this video will guide you through the must-have embroidery supplies I recommend. Are you ready to transform a simple needle and thread into stunning works of art? Join me and let's venture on this exciting, creative, and fulfilling journey together. To get started, you'll need the following supplies. The printed pattern. When printing the pattern, make sure to scale it to 100% from the printing settings. At the bottom left corner of the printed sheet, you'll find the square that says 1 inch. Use a ruler to check the square. If it's 1 inch, you are good to go. The sampler pattern is designed to fit in a 7-inch embroidery hoop, and I'm using a high-quality beechwood hoop that will hold the fabric tightly together in the process. My recommended embroidery fabrics to choose from are calico cotton, cotton twill, and linen cotton blend. A plain woven medium weight fabric anywhere between 180 and 200 GSM is a great choice. I'm using a high quality calico fabric. You'll need embroidery floss, and I recommend the DMC 6-strand cotton floss. Next on our supplies list are the needles, and I'm using the cross-stitch needles size 24 and 26. The tapestry needles are a great option as well. Look for the same sizes. Then you are going to need a few types of scissors. Embroidery scissors for cutting the threads. I'm using the snips. They are quite small and have sharp blades, so I can cut the threads with precision. To cut the fabric, I'm using the pinking shears that have a zigzag cut to prevent the fabric from frying. And paper scissors to cut the paper, and we are going to use them when transferring the pattern onto fabric. A pilot friction pen to trace the pattern onto fabric. A paper tape to secure the printed pattern to the fabric when transferring the design. And a sunny window to use it as a source of light as well when transferring the pattern onto fabric. If you found this tutorial helpful, imagine how much you'll learn in my course, The Beginner's Guide to Mastering 30 Essential Embroidery Stitches. Learning embroidery basics builds confidence and naturally shifts your focus from trying to get it perfect to enjoying the creative process itself. Check out the link in the description below to get access to the pattern I'm using in this tutorial and learn not only about embroidery stitches, but also about the supplies you need, how to transfer the pattern on the fabric, and how to start and finish a thread. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. I love when you do that. Happy stitching!